Today I am sharing with you aloo paratha with its unique stuffing. This paratha is very unique in taste. Once you will have, every time you will ask for it. I can say this is easy, super tasty and perfect recipe of paratha. Let's start with its stuffing. Heat up a pan and add into it 1 tablespoon black pepper and 1.5 tablespoon coriander seed and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Then crush it with the help of rolling pin. Don't use grinder here. Do as shown in the video because the taste of the paratha is hidden here in crushing. Now take 2 boiled potato in a bowl. Don't overboil potato and make its texture sticky. Otherwise paratha will break while rolling it or it will be very difficult to roll. Now add green chilies as per your taste. Add crushed powder into it. Cut ginger into small pieces and also add coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon carom seed, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, add anardana powder. And mix all this thing well and keep aside. And if you find this video is good, so please give a like to my video and subscribe to my channel. And also comment below. Now take a ball of dough and roll this into a thick roti. After rolling it, I am going to stuff the paratha. Keep the stuffing properly into the center and spread it evenly with the help of spoon. Spread it properly, otherwise the stuffing would remain at the center and at the edges it will remain empty, so spread it evenly. Now give a cut at the center and start folding as shown in the video. Seal its edges by pressing it so that the stuffing won't come out. After sealing it, press this very gently with the help of your hand and also use rolling pin to roll it. Don't roll it very hard, gently roll it. Now heat up a pan and roast it how you roast roti. Use oil or ghee, but the real taste of paratha you will find only in ghee. Cook it till you get nice brown spots on either sides. It has to be this color on either sides. Let's get it out. Aloo paratha can be served with coriander, mint chutney or just plain curd. It's an anytime dish you can enjoy for lunch, for breakfast and also for dinner. And if you find this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.